Misu footage from the new camera. Hi, Misu. Hi, Misu. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Juliet and I'm currently a first year medical student in the United States. So in this video, I'm going to do an unboxing of the Canon M50, which is a camera that I bought about a week ago or 2 weeks ago off of Amazon. So when I was researching what camera I wanted to buy, I looked up a bunch of different reviews and obviously I watched a bunch of different YouTube videos, and the most helpful one for me in deciding which camera I wanted to get was looking at the videos that showed the footage of like their previous camera or phone or whatever camera they were using, and then the footage that they took after with the new camera that they got. And the Canon M50 was exactly what I was looking for in terms of like the quality and the little features that it comes with. And so I wanted to make this video so that I could see what the difference in footage is, because obviously it's going to be much better than the camera that I'm using right now because I'm just using my phone. And I also bought a mic as well, as I mentioned in my last video, so that when I attach that to the camera, I want to see if there's a difference between the audios or if I could just return it if it's not that helpful. But I think it will be helpful. So let's get right into this video. So this is the mic that I actually got. I saw the Rodeo one and I know that brand is a little bit better, but I didn't want to pay double for the mic because I saw some pretty good reviews on this one. So I'm going to try this one, which is the Moukey MCM-1. So this is what the inside looks like. I guess this one is the camera strap. And then, I don't know what the rest is, but oh, this is the body of the camera. I actually don't know that much about cameras, so let's see how this goes. And then this is, I think this is the charger. And this is probably the battery from the other videos that I've watched. I think that might be it. Oh, and this is the lens that it came with. I brought the camera set that came with one of the lenses because I didn't want to have to worry about buying a lens separately. And so yeah, so I'm going to put it all together and then we'll see if the footage looks any different, which I know it will, and I'm really, really excited. Didn't buy another SD card. I'm just gonna use the one that I bought for my Switch a long time ago because I haven't really been playing any video games because I don't really have time for it because I'm at school, unfortunately. So I'm gonna just take it from here. Okay, welcome back everyone. So actually putting this camera together took me like about an hour, I would say, or trying to figure out how to work it and putting it together, and also attaching the external mic that I got. So I decided, why not, I can just show you guys what I just figured out so that if there's any other camera newbies, the process will be much easier, because I searched the internets on how to assemble a camera and also put the external mic, and it took me way longer than it should. So here we go. These are all the pieces that it comes with. The strap that I'm not going to use right now, the lens, the camera body, and then the battery and the battery pack, and that's actually charging right now. So let me show you how I assemble the camera. I take these two pieces off, set it down gently so I don't break it, and then I take this part off, and then I attach this inside where it has like the little gold, I don't even know, those little tabs in there, and then I just match it up to this one over here. Okay, there we go. And then it just clicks on, and then you turn it counterclockwise. Yes. And so this is what it looks like. It looks cool. Okay, good. And then trying to figure out how to put this external mic on took me forever. So let me show you guys how I did this. You just take this part off. I didn't realize that you could take it off. So I took this part off, slide it out, and then I just slide this thing, this mic thing, right in there. If I can get it to slide in. Okay, yeah. And then I just turn this and tighten it. And then on the side here, there's a mic port. I used a credit card to kind of slightly get this open, and then stick it right in there. And yeah, so that is how you assemble the camera with the external mic. I'm pretty sure this assembly is the same for any other external mic you use, so this should work. This is the battery charger, and then this is the actual battery. And so for the battery, you just flip the camera upside down, and then you slip this bad boy in here. Yeah, okay. Put the battery in. Clips in there with this, and then put the SD card in this way right above it, and it should also just kind of click in. Yeah, so now it's all ready to go. So then I open this, and then I turn it on. And then, so this is the part that I was also confused about. It says push and hold the lens switch in the upward direction and rotate the lens to enable shooting. So that's just over here. It's talking about this thing. I just like flip it up and turn it, and that opens the lenses, and now I can shoot. Like zooming in, zooming out. Also, this screen turns out. This is in the way here, but let me show you guys, which is really cool. This is what I was actually looking for because I wanted to be able to vlog and see myself. So there we go there. And yeah, and then this, you can just clip this right back in. Not really in the way. I can still see myself. Works out great. Yeah, that's how you assemble this camera. Don't know why it took me so long, but it did.
So then you flip this bad boy over and you just pop it open like so, and then you slide it in. And then you slide this in. And then you slide this. And then you slide the battery in like so.
So this is the footage now from my new camera, and yeah, now I'm gonna plug a mic in and see how the audio changes. Okay, so now this is the footage and audio with the mic in and the new camera. Hopefully you can hear a difference, or hopefully I can hear a difference when I'm editing. I thought this unboxing video would be a lot easier than it went. I feel like I had a very hard time trying to film and also unbox and put the camera together. It might also be because I just don't know how cameras work, like real cameras. But also it could be the fact that unboxings are actually very hard in terms of trying to get the angles right. So shout out to all those people who do unboxings all the time. Another cool feature about this camera is that it has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities. So you can wirelessly transfer your footage either to your phone or your MacBook, which is gonna be really, really clutch for me because I did not plan ahead and order like the SD dongle that fits into the MacBook. So that'll be really nice and convenient. So I'm just really, really happy with this camera because I can see myself on the side camera and I don't have to use my Apple Watch every 2 seconds to check that I'm in frame. And as you guys know from my previous videos, it takes me forever to make sure that I'm in frame and make sure the camera's all set up. But now I can just glance to the side of the camera and check that I'm actually in frame and I'm centered, and to make sure that I'm in focus, and the lighting is pretty nice. So as you can see, if I walk around my apartment, it will autofocus. Let me see. Yeah, I think it's autofocusing right now, and because the lighting is all different around my apartment. Yeah, and it's really, really nice, and I'm kind of excited because now I can film whether or not I have like perfect lighting outside. So yeah, as always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys all next time. Misu footage from the new camera. Hi Misu. Hi Misu. So I'm actually very excited that I could get better footage of Misu, because look how cute you are. Look how cute you are, Misu. You're so curious with the camera.